The research and innovation on energy technology is progressing quite efficiently in many countries in Europe. What we need, however, to do is now to put together different projects, different efforts in a way that we achieve the critical mass in Europe, because otherwise we will never be competitive at the worldwide scale. So I think that now the clear step ahead to be done together is whether we can find synergies at European level and shift from a national attempt to a European attempt. And this is why the Roma conference can be an important step ahead in this process. We need to pull together all possible financial resources, new mechanisms for financing this kind of good ideas in a way that they become as soon as possible also competitive. So the update to the market, they should become competitive. And this is very, very difficult if we do not find a mechanism to fill the gap between research, innovation, and the market uptake. This is exactly what we knew from the very beginning of this set plan process, that we need to steer together a kind of European approach to fill the gap again between innovation and market uptake. And for example, there are some technologies that can never become competitive. They are not developed in a completely different way. I'm thinking, for example, to ocean energy, which is still at the very, let's say, research level, but also some more mature technology, like also photovoltaics or solar energy. To become really, let's say, a competitor on a free market for energy production, they should be sustainable per se, not counting on incentives, not counting on different financial mechanisms that are no more acceptable for the public. So energy technology is there, but we need to find the proper mechanism now to go to the final stage of the market uptake. We have now spent several years to find synergies, to align programs at national level that should become European programs. But now is the time to go down to an action plan. So we need to know exactly what different member states are going to do. And from there, the Commission could come on top and say, makes sense, we can give you our contribution, and then to develop a European level. So I expect from Roma a completely change in the process, from words to facts.